Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix dark mode missing from Snapchat, dark mode not showing in Snapchat. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first and basic method is launch App Store and download Test Flight. I already downloaded. You just tap to open or update. After that, do the following steps. Number 1. Go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi, tap on general, tap software update and update your iPhone. Number 2. Tap and hold App Store and a menu will appear. Tap on updates. Now we have to check the list if there is any update available for Snapchat. If there is, then tap update to update Snapchat. Now we go for solution number 3. Reset network settings. First we have to go to settings, then tap general and tap reset network settings, put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. After doing this step, go to Snapchat, tap on your profile icon, tap on settings, now tap appearance, and dark mode is working for Snapchat. Always dark, always light, system matched. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.